Real estate term of the day, renting vacation property. If you have vacation property that you have as an investment, IRS lets you stay in that property 14 days every year. Now, can you stay longer? The answer is yes, but never more than 10% of the total rental amount. Meaning, let's say you rented the property for 300 days. Well, you could stay 30 days. You could stay 30 days there. You rented it for 150 days. Well, you could stay 15 days. Hey, you rented it for 70 days. Well, you're allowed 14 days because that is the allowance. You're allowed to stay 2 weeks no matter what. And then anything after that, never more than 10%. If you stay for more than 10%, then IRS is going to see it as a second home, not an investment. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested in passing the state real estate sales and or the brokers, consider buying my Smash study guides. They're only $53, and you can find that in the website. Also, if you're interested in having a one-on-one session with me, private tutoring, everything is done via Zoom. Go ahead and select the time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.